So last week I published a video to outline the usefulness of this amazing Visual Studio Code ESLint plugin authored by, I think his name is Dirk Baumer, which is pretty amazing, pretty impressive. But today I discovered that there's more to this plugin in the sense that, well, let me show you actually. So here I am in Visual Studio Code. I'm working on an application of mine, and as you can see from, let me hide the sidebar away, from the problems tab here in this file we have 4 ESLint errors. 3 of them are missing trailing commas, and 1 of them is unexpected parentheses around single function argument. So I'm using Airbnb's style guide, and that style guide requires that you have a trailing comma after the last property of an object, after the last item in an array if the array is split on multiple lines. I think it also requires trailing commas after the last argument of a function, again if they are specified on multiple lines. And the style guide also has a rule that says for any arrow function with a single argument and no curly braces, so basically a one-liner, there shouldn't be parentheses around the argument. So while trying to fix my ESLint validation issues, I'm actually on a branch that says refactor standardized code, so I'm actually trying to make it follow the style guide. I tried to use this light bulb here. If you click on, like you saw on my previous video, for example on this comma dangle, if you click on it, well, in the previous video it had a single option and was fix this comma dangle problem. I think it was because it is, or it was, the single problem in that piece of code. But right now I see that there are 2 more options, so fix all comma dangle problems or fix all auto-fixable problems. Well, if I want to fix this, as you already know, I can click on here and it adds the comma for me and the error goes away. But because I know that I have these comma dangle issues and I don't want to waste time typing a comma for each line of code, I could go ahead and click and fix all comma dangle problems, and if I save, nothing besides the parentheses around the single function argument appears. But if you feel adventurous like myself, you could click fix all auto fixable problems, and this basically removes the parentheses around the single argument, adds the trailing commas, and makes everything pretty for you. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, you can go ahead and follow me on Twitter, you can subscribe to the channel, and expect more of these videos soon.